Morning friends, I am Nitesh Kumar. Let's discuss today's session of current affair. Today is 18 January 2021. Our first question is, what is the name of first indigenously produced machine pistol developed by DRDO? Answer to this question is ASMI. Let's know more about DRDO. DRDO full form is Defense Research and Development Organization. Headquarter of DRDO is in New Delhi. Chairman of DRDO is G. Satish Reddy. And motto of DRDO is strength origin is in science or strength origin is in knowledge. DRDO is established in 1958. Let's move to next question. Question number 2. Where the 51st Indian Film Festival of India begins? Answer to this question is Goa. Capital of Goa is Panji. The state is formed on 30 May 1987. But there is a difference in Goa Liberation Day and Goa Form Day. So Goa Liberation Day is 19 December 1961, from which the state is become independent from Portuguese. Governor of Goa is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Chief Minister of Goa is Pramod Sawant. And also there is one more confusing fact that Salim Ali Wildlife Sanctuary is in Goa. Salim Ali National Park is in Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. Question number 3. Who has been given Scotch Challenger Award recently? Answer to this question is Arjun Munda. अर्जुन मुंडा अभी हमारे जनजातीय मामलों के मंत्री और आदिवासी मामलों के मंत्री हैं. And he got the award for digital e-governance. Next question. Question number 4. Which country has recently displayed submarine launched ballistic missile on its military parade day? Answer to this question is North Korea. Capital of North Korea is Pyongyang. Currency of North Korea is North Korean won. Dictator of North Korea is Kim Jong-un. Also a fact that the line dividing North Korea and South Korea is known as 38 parallel. Next question, question number 5. On which date traditional festival of Sakrain is celebrated in several parts of Dhaka? We know Dhaka is capital of Bangladesh. Answer to this question is 14 January 2021. On festival Sakrain, the kite flying competition is followed by winter cake festival Pithupuli. Sakrain is celebrated on the last day of Bengali month of Paus. Let's know more about Bangladesh. Bangladesh capital is Dhaka and Bangladesh currency is Bangladeshi Taka. Bangladesh Prime Minister is Sheikh Hasina. Bangladesh President is Abdullah Hamid. Next question, question number 6. By which year PepsiCo pledges net zero emissions of carbon dioxide? So answer to this question is 2040, and it is 1 decade before the Paris Agreement signed by many countries. Next question, question number 7. Who won the presidency of UN Human Rights Council on 15 January 2021? So answer to this question is Fiji. Fiji is an island country. Fiji beats Bahrain and Uzbekistan in a secret ballot. Fiji capital is Suva. Fiji currency is Fijian dollar. Fiji president is George Conrote. Fiji Prime Minister is Frank Bainimarama. Next question, question number 8. who has been appointed as the new Telecom Equipment and Service Export Promotion Council chairman? So answer to this question is Sandeep Agarwal. Next question, question number 9. Who has been conferred for Indian Personality of the Year award at 51st IFFI? So IFFI, in video we discuss International Film Festival uh, Award of India. Sorry, International Film Festival of India. It is 51st. So in this, Indian Personality of Year award goes to Biswajit Chatterjee. Next question, question number 10. Who has been awarded prestigious Chief of Army Staff Commendation? So answer to this question is Amresh Kumar Chaudhary. He has got the award for his operation and services in COVID-19 situations. He is currently working under Ministry of Railway. Next question. Question number 11. Who unveiled driverless metro car for Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority? So answer to this question is Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. Let's move to next question. Question number 12. Who will be honored the Lifetime Achievement Award at 51st IFFI? IFFI, Indian International Film Festival of India. So answer to this question is Italian cinematographer Vittorio Storaro. So the Lifetime Achievement Award of this edition of IFFI goes to Vittorio Storaro. Next question, question number 13. In which Indian city the annual TETTRA Technical Type Training Conference is held on 15 January 2021? So answer to this question is Bengaluru Air Force Station, Jalali. Let know more about Air Force. Chief of Air Staff is R.K. Singh Bhadoria, and Indian Air Force National Day, Indian Air Force Day is celebrated on 8 October, and the motto of Indian Air Force is Touch the Sky with Glory. Next question, question number 14. Which state government has launched Street Theatre and Performing Arts Fellowship Scheme? So answer to this question is Delhi, and capital of Delhi is New Delhi, and Lieutenant Governor of Delhi is Anil Baijal. CM of Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal. Question number 15. When India Meteorological Department celebrated its 146th Foundation Day? So on 15 January 2021, IMD celebrated its 146th Foundation Day, and remember that IMD is one of the oldest department working from pre-independence time. This is today's session of current affair. Last video question. On which date National Mathematics Day is celebrated? Answer to this question is 22 December. Today's your own question is which day is celebrated as Goa Liberation Day? Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks.